Welcome crypto traders to this tutorial on how to use Binance in order to trade, in order to actually execute our calls. So if you want to be on the channel, on the premium channel, make sure to watch this tutorial if you don't know how to use it already. Here below also you can find the link in order to create an account with Binance. So if you don't have one yet, make sure to click here below and you can create an account to actually invest and trade with Binance, and also most importantly execute the calls of our premium channel. Now let's get started. So here we are inside of Binance. Of course we need to actually have futures USDM. It is really important to note that we care about the USDM because we will trade with USDT. All right, this is the first step, very important to keep in mind. Now in order to do that, we actually need to go to trading, convert, and to convert our cryptos into USDT. So for example, we convert Bitcoin or anything else basically into USDT. It can be Bitcoin, can be Ethereum, can be XRP, can be anything that you have. Just you convert it to USDT, and after doing that, this is the first step, most important, because we need to convert the cryptos into USDT in order to actually trade. Now, after doing that, we will find our cryptos in the wallet. We will find our USDT in the wallet spot. So after converting in our wallet spot, we will see our USDT. We need to go on transfer in order to transfer our USDT from the fiat and spot wallet to the futures wallet in order to actually trade. So this is why I'm doing this tutorial, because if you want to trade with us, you need to do these steps. All right, so you select the amount of USDT you want to convert, you want to transfer from the spot wallet to the futures wallet. Then you can finally go on the futures wallet by clicking on it. You remember USDM, and finally we are here. And this is the platform where we actually trade and buy and sell cryptos with leverage. So this is the whole point of this video. Now, of course, right here we can see, for example, we have 177 USDT. Here you can execute, the orders. You can select market orders, limit orders, stop orders. Of course, we will tell you everything. Like if we execute a market order, we will just tell you the price. If we decide to use some limit orders or stop orders, which are different type of orders, we will write in the channel that we are using a limit or stop order. So don't worry about it. That's included. Of course, we will tell you what type of positions we are entering so you can follow along. Now, the recommended risk is between 1 and 2%. Of course, we will also tell you that. And another thing we should pay attention to is that the leverage, we recommend to stick maximum to 20 times. All right. Now, another thing to keep in mind when trading on this platform is that, for example, here we have Doge USDT, and you can see that you can also find all the other cryptocurrencies that we are allowed to trade on Binance. For example, here we are at 50 cents. And if we want to execute, a position, if we use a market order, we will, buy at this price. We can have some targets, some stop losses. We will see in a second how to set that. So once we open the position, we see it right here. As you can see, Doge USDT, and we entered at 50 cents. Here we can set the take profit. We can set the stop loss, which are also levels that we will give out in our channel, of course. And we can see that they also give you the price, give you the amount of money that you make or lose if we hit take profit or stop loss, which is very cool actually. Not many platforms do this, so cool to see. If we go to take profit, we get $33. If we go to stop loss, we lose $7. This is also why stop loss and take profit levels are very important and should always be used when trading both cryptos, forex, or stocks, or anything. Now, for example, right here we are setting the take profit at $1. Keep in mind that Doge right now is at 50 cents, and we're setting the stop loss at 40 cents. And as you can see right here, they give you the open orders and they count the take profit and the stop loss as open orders. As you can see, 40 cents for the stop loss and $1 for the take profit. All right, what's up everyone? So this is how we will actually find the lot size for trading. If you are trading on Binance, if you are trading on a different broker, on MetaTrader 4 or whatever, then it's fine. You can do, as always, use a lot size calculator as you want. If you're using Binance futures like us, let me actually go to the futures in a second. All right. If you're using Binance futures, first of all, I recommend you a maximum leverage of 20x because we don't need more. Now, to find the lot size, right now I know that this is in Italian. Let me actually see. Okay, so right here, of course, we have take profit, stop loss. Here you buy, here you short. The only thing which I care about explaining right now is the lot size, which is here, basically, and should appear a number. Now, to actually determine that number, when we send the trade in the group, what you will need to do is, if you want to find out the lot size that you should use for your account, then you go to trading view. You use, for example, we send a buy signal and we put the stop loss below here, take profit here. And what you need to do is go on settings, click here on, on your position settings, put your account size, whatever it is, risk percentage, maximum 2. Of course, we will tell you if it is 1 or 2%, but we recommend maximum 2. Entry price, take profit price right here, and stop loss price. Click OK. And right here, they will give you the quantity 0.07. So once you see this, you go back to the futures, and when you have to put the total number of your of your position, the lot size, you put 0.07. All right. So I hope everything is clear, and be ready.